Is it rolling? Okay, good. Hi and welcome to Svenska Flygfabriken's weekly update. Saturday evening, and I'm celebrating the past week with a glass of wine, actually. Cheers! We have increased the workforce this week with a trainee. He arrived Monday and we gave him the mission to build a jig for assembly of the horizontal stabilizer. That was the kit builder will do, as you saw in the previous film from last week. Has done it very good. So he will actually be with us for some weeks more to go. We have also received some tooling preg material, carbon fiber, for mold making. So Friday we laid up a test mold for one smaller piece, and coming week we will make a little bigger mold of this material. So stay tuned and thank you for watching. Bye bye.